Hello guys, this is our mini project video for food chemistry. Where we are focusing on the chemical and also physical changes in carbohydrate during cooking. Our dish, we chose to make a sandwich that uses white bread as the main carbohydrate source. When the bread is toasted, the heat causes changes in texture and also color, which is what we will be explaining in this video. The ingredient we used to make the sandwich are 2 slices of white bread, avocado, a boiled egg, lettuce, tomato, cheese, and margarine. Each of these ingredients play a role in the final taste, but the main focus of this project is the bread and how it changes when the heat is applied. Later in the video, we will be showing the preparation process and explaining the physical and chemical changes that will be occurring during the toasting. We are from Group 3.
My name is Zara.
My name is Vinisri.
My name is Shireen.
My name is Rizka.
So today we are going to do sandwich.
For cheese, cheese has excellent source of protein and calcium for strong bones. It also provides vitamin B12 for energy and brain function. Also, it can support muscle growth and maintenance. For tomato, it high in vitamin C to strengthen immunity, and it contains lycopene to protect the heart and promotes healthy skin and hydration. For avocado, it contains healthy fats that support heart health, rich in vitamins and minerals for glowing skin, and high in fiber to improve digestion. For egg provides high-quality protein for body repair, rich in vitamins and minerals for energy, and can support brains and eye health. For lettuce, it has low in calories and helps with hydration. It also contains vitamins A and K for healthy skin and eyes, also rich in fiber to support digestion. First, the tomato and avocado were cut into slices using a knife and cutting board. Next, the boiled egg was peeled and cut using a knife. The avocado, boiled eggs, and mayonnaise were then placed in a bowl and mashed together using a fork until it's smooth. A thin layer of margarine was spread on both sides of the white bread using a butter knife. Then, the bread was toasted on an electric pan over low heat until it turned golden brown. Once ready, the mashed avocado and egg mixture was spread evenly on one slice of bread using a spoon. Fresh lettuce, tomato slice, and cheese were added on top using clean hands. Lastly, the second slice of bread was placed on top. And finally, the sandwich was done and ready to eat.
While toasting, the bread undergoes several physical changes. As the bread is exposed to dry heat, the moisture inside begins to evaporate, causing the surface to become dry and crisp while the inside remains soft and slightly chewy. The applied margarine melts and seeps into the bread, helping distribute heat evenly and giving it a golden, glossy appearance. At the same time, a chemical process called the Maillard reaction occurs between amino acids and reducing sugars in the bread, producing a brown color, rich aroma, and enhanced flavor. These combined changes transform plain bread into a crunchy, flavorful toast that serves as a base for our sandwich.
When white bread is toasted, heat causes chemical changes in its carbohydrates, mainly starch and sugars. Starch partially gelatinizes, making the crust firm and crisp, while reducing sugar react with amino acids in the Maillard reaction, forming brown pigments and flavorful compounds. At a higher temperature, sugar caramelization adds sweets and nutty notes. Moisture loss accelerates this reaction and enhances texture. Together, this transformation gives a toasted bread its golden brown color, crispy texture, and distinct aroma. For the conclusion, the video project was interesting and educational, clearly explaining how heat causes physical and chemical changes in bread through gelatinization, the Maillard reaction, and caramelization. It helped us to understand food chemistry in daily cooking while improving our teamwork, communication, and creativity.